Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today, we'll be doing a new series. And it's called the Repair Series, in which I will repair different type of gel blasters for your reference. Okay, for this scenario, this is gel blaster. It's a Bohan MK8 that has been brought to me earlier today because it's a pre-upgraded unit. And the customer said that he tried to fire, but it did not fire. He knows that the battery is fully charged, but still not firing. Unfortunately, he forced it to fire, held the trigger, until the LiPo burned. See? Burned. And the contacts melted. Let's zoom in more. See. Oh, dirty. See, burned. As per the client, this unit is second hand, and this is pre-upgraded from somewhere around in Quezon City. My initial diagnosis is the connectors needs to be changed. Probably change it to X230, and the motor smelled burned. And he said that smoke came out from this one, so I would assume that this is also burned. And considering that this is already somewhat okay-ish LiPo, and for this to be not able to drive the motor, there's a probability that something got stuck inside, something broke, tried to force it, it burned. So what we're going to do is open this up and let's see what are the damage internally. Then, ching! Okay, so now I disassembled the unit. So I'm going to use a watt meter to see if how much amps this motor is still going to take. I don't know if it's burned already. It smells burned, but this spins, so there still might be a chance. I'll also put 25 amps fuse so that my battery or my watt meter will not explode. When dealing with a unit that is not upgraded by you, or when you're doing gunsmithing, always use a fuse. Actually, if you're using a unit that's pre-upgraded, always use a fuse. If something jams inside, this will burn rather than everything else burns. But anyways, let us try. And ooh! The motor lives. And no, the motor is dead. It jammed. See? Dead motor. See? It's doing 20 amps. Max 20 amps. Whew. See? Fuse important. Watt meter important. Okay, so I'm going to get since I have a metal gearbox was going to use for a project, we still have a spare motor and we're going to exchange. Okay, let's do a pause. Okay, so we have connected the different motor, a new one. The watt meter has been reset. And now let's try wattage. So a normally working motor consumes around without any gears 6 amps. See, start up current, then goes down. Okay, now we're going to try. First, I forgot to preset the watt meter. So the maximum wattage will be correct. Hey, preset. Okay, it's been reset. Charger, power supply, fuse, everything is ready. This has not been opened yet. This is the current condition, and let's see what will happen. Ooh, see, 24.6 amps. It didn't burn the fuse, so there's an issue with this unit. Oof. So we will open the spring. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a different spring already. Is it a modified spring? I don't know. Let's try. See? It means that there's something wrong here in this part. It will not go through. We need to open this. And dramatic pause again. Okay, let's see the moment of truth. Let's see what happened. Open. Screws. What is this? Then. Oh! Sad. I think it jammed. Killed the tappet. This was supposed to be upgraded, but the nozzle still stuck. Stuck. Short stroke? Huh? Okay. Gears. Fine. No damage. No shims. Okay, fine. Ooh, it died. Oops. Condolences. And this is okay. Also okay. No damage. The tappet died because jam because the tappet died. Okay. Let's try to get some parts. But I need to check on this one. Dramatic pose. Okay, this is one of my piston body from my units. Yes, it's short stroke 1 tooth. See, there's 1 tooth missing. And why, I don't know. Because if you short 1 tooth here, you should be removing 1 tooth here, but there's none. So, I don't know. Okay, try to get some parts. Okay, so now we have changed the tappet plate. a new piston cylinder head and nozzle. See, and the rest are stock. I changed also the ARL. Check if the shimmings are fine. Where's this new? It's not glued. So it's all good. Now I'm going to close it. Since you already know how to do that, another dramatic pose. Okay, so now we have assembled the unit. I'm going to insert the spring last because I'm going to show you. This is the stock spring of an ARP9, the metal gearbox. It totally looks different. There's more coils. Definitely not stock spring. So let's see the FPS. Oops, not this one. This unit. Let's see. Fuse intact. Battery good, 7.4 volts, and then we fire. 18.4 amps. 19 amps. Whew. This is wrong. It's the reason why the battery died. It shorted. The wattage is far too high. Let's use the stock spring. Then reset this so that the wattage is back to 0 and firing. Oops, there was a skip. And the aerial is not working well. 8 versus 18. This is wrong. Definitely wrong. I need to talk to the owner of this unit. I can install this again, but as you can see, at 18 amps, it will destroy whatever LiPo is using if it's not a quality one like this one. So please do not install strong springs on your units without proper upgrades. Even using this spring and a good battery, it will kill the battery in the long run. It's drawing 18 amps per shot. 18 amps continuous for full auto. At semi, it will be more. Definitely wrong. First, we're going to fix this ARL spring. Dramatic pose.